I can.
How was the test?
It was okay, sir. This time question they asked hard questions.
Obviously, beginning of the year they'll make it easy. After that, it'll come to the normal level. So you want to
I mean,
discuss
after the homesick holidays only they're going to show that full form. That's why.
which holidays?
Homesick holidays.
Okay.
That's
So
for hostel kids.
you want to discuss any question here?
Yeah.
Which one?
Actually, 128 question. That's one. Then 126.
This one.
Yeah.
You understood the question?
Not too much. This is one of the questions I did mistake.
Okay.
We can
Yeah.
start.
So this is the stream or river, whatever. And this is the velocity of water. Okay. And the width of the stream is d. So the first thing he's saying is the swimmer is going to and fro across the stream. To and fro. So first one, the swimmer is going like this.
I can see, sir.
But
Yes.
along the shortest path, so it will not be the shortest distance. So it could be some other direction. So it's going this way, right? So I'm not sure of this one. We have to check. So it's going like this, and then he's coming back.
Long stream to and fro along the shortest path.
Not
Sir,
shortest path.
isn't the shortest? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Isn't
Then,
the shortest path straightforward?
yeah. Okay, fine.
Yeah. It's not along the hypotenuse region. That's the longest part.
So shortest path is going like this, perpendicular. Okay, he's going like this and coming back like this. Okay, for this the time is t1.
Yeah.
Okay, time taken for the same thing to be covered up and down the. Okay, same distance. Okay, let me assume it's t only.
Yeah.
So second case is going like this, the distance t, and then coming back. So obviously going towards the right will be easy, and while coming back will be difficult for him.
Yeah.
Okay, and this time, first time is T1, second time is T2. Okay, and then if T3 is the time, but this will take in still water. Okay, that depends on the velocity of the swimmer. And which direction he has to swim does not matter since the water is still. Okay.
Upward and down.
No, does not matter because water is still,
Okay.
no. There is no upper. So we have to find the velocity of the swimmer with these two information. Okay. So in the first case, this is velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground. This with respect to ground, it should go perpendicular and come out. So in the first case, velocity of swimmer with respect to the ground, we can just leave it. By default, it is ground only. So the velocity of the swimmer direction should be along the y-axis. Let's do the swimmer with respect to the ground. Okay, the T2 is easy to write.
Yeah.
T2 is the uptime, which is D plus velocity of swimmer plus velocity of the water. Both will add. While coming back,
E by VW plus
minus,
VS minus VWS.
okay, so T2. So this one should give me, the first one should give me a relation. Basically, I have two equations, two unknowns. And yeah, Vs and Vw. So I have to
Yeah.
find Vs. So the first equation, how to write D1, velocity of the swimmer,
Yeah.
mm, is velocity of swimmer is for ground or water.
So yes, sir.
Okay, I'll come back to this. Let me not waste time on this one. Okay, the confusion here is in the first case, either velocity of swimmer is along J cap or velocity of the swimmer with respect to the river or water.
Yeah.
Velocity of swimmer with respect to water, that's along J cap. So one of them is true.
Yeah.
Okay, and velocity of swimmer is in which direction? Some direction it will go.
Okay.
Okay, let me come back to this later. Which 126?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first data person, you know what's an escalator, right? It's like a staircase. You have shown shopping malls, right?
Yeah.
There is the escalator. The escalator can move up,
Yeah.
but first thing he has given is stationary escalator. So he can cover the distance in 36 seconds.
Yeah.
So let this distance be whatever D. Okay, so it's covered in 36 seconds. In the second, okay, so next case, the person is stationary, but the escalator is just moving. So escalator covers the same distance in 18 seconds.
Okay.
So here the man is moving. In the second case, uh, the escalator is moving. Man is whatever, he's just stationary. So
Yeah.
the thing is covered in 18 seconds. Okay, now we have both Okay, now both are moving.
Okay,
So,
we can continue.
so velocity of the man from the first case I will get as d by 36.
Yeah,
Okay, velocity of the escalator is t by 18. In the third case, time will be the distance d by the both the velocities will add up because both in the same direction. Vm plus, okay, so that will give me d divided by d by 36.
plus d by 18.
So multiplying numerator divided by 36 will be 1 plus
36d
2.
by 2 plus 36d by 3 by 3d. 12, 12 is the answer.
So which is the correct answer?
2, option 2, 12.
Okay. So here, one thing I've done is I've taken the slant distance d. Okay. Even if you consider the vertical height as h, then also it will be the same thing. Because in the first case, instead of d, I'll put but it's just moving in the same direction. This d is better because the movement of the VE and VM are all on the slant distance only. So time is the slant distance by the or speed is the slant distance by the time taken. So what mistake you made?
I just had some doubts in this question.
Okay. Which is the next question?
I marked this answer, but like it was like guessing only. So like yeah. Then 132nd question.
Yeah. You always take the components, no? U cos theta is U37 in the horizontal direction. Vertical direction, the velocity is U sin theta. Okay. So find the time from the vertical motion. It's a straightforward question. Actually, a trivial question, but you cannot use any formulas. You have to understand the question and do it. Okay. So initial
Into
velocity,
range they're asking. That's the thing.
yeah, get the flight time, no, from the vertical motion. Vertical motion, the initial velocity is
Yeah.
something. S is given. So in the vertical motion, use S equal to ut plus half at square. U is known. T you have to find out. G is known. Okay. So from that, get the flight time. Try it.
Okay. Is the answer for 4000 by 3? No.
Check it.
No, no,
I
no,
don't
no.
know.
It's wrong. I think so. It's wrong. Yeah.
That's
Just give me
what.
a minute.
No. Don't skip the steps.
I didn't, sir. I tried. Quadratic equation concept using this thing.
Yeah. Sine 37 is how much? 3 by 5, right?
Yeah.
So flight time is 10 seconds.
Yeah. Time of flight 10 seconds. Yes.
So the
Now to
range.
find the final velocity.
No, no. Why do you need the final velocity? Distance, no
Uh,
range. U cos
okay,
theta into
range.
time.
You
U cos theta into the time.
400 by 3 into 10. 4000 by 3. Yes.
U cos theta is 500 by 3 into
4000 by 3 was right, but
into 10.
yeah, which is 4000 by 3. I was right, but I missed some steps. Then I redid it. Then I got it. That's
Option 4.
option 4, sir. Yeah. Yeah, like I already got that answer, but I thought it was wrong. Then I redid it. Then I got it.
That's why I'm saying just go through the steps and then
Yeah.
you have to be confident that every step is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I've taken the downward direction as positive.
Yes.
Only then S is plus 500 because origin is at the top. Downward direction is positive. So S is plus 500. And U is also plus because U is downwards and downward is positive. So plus 500 by 3 sine 37. And then G is also plus 10. Acceleration also plus G. So plus 10. Okay. So since I've taken this as positive because it's convenient because a lot of things are downwards. So I'll take the downward direction as positive. Okay. From there I get flight time. Here you don't have to use B square minus 4AC, but first just try by guessing. 300 distributed factors should give me 20. So that's 13 and 10. If we subtract them, I'll get 20. So minus 10. So t plus 13 t minus 10. So from this t is 10 seconds because t cannot be negative. Answer is correct. Option 4. Your mic is off.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Next question. What they're teaching now?
They are teaching that Newton's laws of motion. They started inertia.
Okay. So next question. Which one? Or should I go to the other page?
Then question number 120. No, not that. Not that. Question number 121. I got it right, but like I don't know how I got it. Sir, question number 93. How to do?
121. What about 121?
This thing. I'm doubtful. I got it right, but I'm doubtful about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Then 122 too.
So I cap, no. So where is I cap? First you have to draw that. X-axis, Y-axis. So this is I cap, no. So rotate it here clockwise. So it has come here then. This much is 30. So take this arrow of length 1 and take the components. So the X component will be 1 cos 30 and Y component is 1 sine 30. So it is root 3 by 2 comma half. Unit vector means the length of the arrow is 1. So after that, you rotate the arrow to that given position and take the components. Clear?
Yeah.
This is a unit vector, right?
Yes, yes.
So the length of the vector will not change because it's just a rotation. So this of length 1. So the second position is 30 degrees clockwise. So it has come here. Same length 1. So what are the X
Okay.
component of this? Sorry, it should be
Q
minus.
cos theta and use sin theta. Yes.
Okay, it's not option 3. Minus. So root 3 by 2. Option 4.
Yeah.
So
Since it is clockwise, it's minuses.
it has come the fourth quadrant, no?
Yeah.
So fourth quadrant, Y is negative. $122 you have to do. So VRM direction should be J cap.
Yeah.
So draw the triangle. So rain is falling like this, 6 kilometers per hour. At an angle 30 meter vertical. So so VRM, which is VR minus VM. Okay, so this direction should be minus J cap, vertically downward. Okay, so VR is like this. So VR is like this. So minus VM should be like this. So there's a sum. VR plus minus VM, it's 90 degrees. VR is 6 kilometers per hour. So with the vertical, this is 30. So this is 90 minus 30. So VM is 6 cos 30, 60. So 3. We have to move forward because minus VM is backwards. So plus VM is forward. Check the answer. Got it?
Yeah. Forward with the last three I got it.
93, no?
Yeah.
The question is not very clear. So V initial is 10 J cap. Okay. V final is 10 I cap.
Then it's no root 2 meters right, southeast. Yes.
Because it's I cap minus J cap.
Yeah.
Okay, I cap is towards right, minus J cap is downwards. If I add this two, I'll get this one, which is same as this one, this direction. What is the answer?
I got option three.
Okay.
I got like option three right now, but like option two during the test I put. I got that wrong. There's another thing I got wrong.
From 95,
95. I don't know this question. Sir, is the answer 1 hour?
I don't know.
I got the answers 1 hour, that's why.
Confusing, man. Is it 1 hour? What is the answer?
1 hour, yes. I
Uh,
got 1 hour. I did recalculation, but in exam time I put 30 minutes. I thought like since velocity is 2 kilometers per hour, I got the I derived the answers 1 hour. Then I took sine 30. Then it came as 1/2. Then 1 hour by two is like point 0.5. Then point 0.5 I translated in minutes, so I got 30 minutes. But don't say that was wrong.
that's what you have to understand and do. I'm just trying something at random. See, here's the thing. He's actually going in this direction. So since the river is flowing, he should head in this direction because the river will take it this way. So this is actually velocity of swimmer. That's important to understand.
Yeah,
Okay, this velocity of swimmer and velocity of minus velocity of river is left. Okay, so if we add this thing to the velocity of swimmer,
yeah.
uh, velocity of swimmer is this one. Velocity of swimmer.
எதுவுமே பார்க்கணும்.